Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Cinema 4D shows missing links in the Asset Inspector or Content Browser. Open the project and locate the texture paths. You need the exact folder names and file names so relinking is reliable. Once done, copy textures into a local directory that mirrors the original relative structure when possible. This reduces path mismatches. Make sure file extensions and capitalization match because Cinema 4D treats them literally. Now you're ready to begin bulk or manual relink operations. Now you relink. Open File Relink Assets or use the Asset Inspector's Relink All command to start automated matching. Choose Search Folders. First the project folder, then any external drive or custom route you prepared. If Cinema 4D can't find full paths, enable FileName-only matching to match by name regardless of folder. You should monitor the console for warnings and preview a material to confirm texture maps display correctly. If some maps remain unresolved, switch to manual relink for individual materials. Finish by checking every material in the material editor and confirming diffuse, roughness, bump, and opacity maps load. If automated relink succeeded, use File Save Project with assets to embed textures and lock links. When something still fails, manually assign the missing file and then rerun a Save with Assets pass. If you hit persistent issues, make sure file extensions match, capitalization is identical, and external drive letters or network mounts haven't changed. Those are common causes of repeated broken links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.